Hey, what's up? Sami here. In this video, I'm going to unbox the Mi Watch Basic Edition and do a really simple hands-on to give you a first impression of the watch. Without further ado, let's get started. On the back, we can see there are some highlights of the watch, like it's based on Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 3100 platform. It has eSIM feature to support calls and 4G connectivity, built-in Xiaomi voice assistant. It also supports multi-sports mode recognition, including swimming mode, real-time pressure monitor, plus NFC and longer battery life as you'd expect. Open the box with the watch, the magnetic charging base, a 5-volt 1amp charger. My first impression of the strap is it feels really smooth. As Xiaomi official info says, it's floral rubber anti-allergy strap. Should be good on your wrist. Let's move inside to take a closer look at the watch. On the right side of the watch, we can see a speaker and a mic. On the other side, it got the Chrome button for you to screw up or down. It features linear mode as well. Move down, there is another mic and the power key, long press to turn on the watch. Mi Watch features a ceramic back and it looks a bit protruding. On it, you can see the charging contacts and some sensors like heart rate monitor. Yeah, it's not like Apple Watch comes with wireless charging. You have to use the cable to charge. How does it look on my hand? By the way, the strap is replaceable, so you can be as colorful as you want. Next, I'm going to show you the watch interaction. Long press the home page, you can change to different watch interfaces. There are only 3 at the moment, but you can update more by connecting to the Mi Watch app. Xiaomi claims it has more than 1,000 designs for you to choose from. As for this interface, you can see it shows heart rate, steps, and the calories you burned, other than time. Swipe down, you get access to notifications. Swipe right to enter Xiaomi voice assistant and a bunch of other shortcuts like calendar, etc. Swipe up is the control panel. Here you can enable all the features you need like flight mode, volume, flashlight, etc. same as Apple Watch. Now swipe left. It shows all the sports related information like calories, heart rate, sports mode. Also it shows the media devices if you connected any. It includes the weather by default. Actually, you can customize all the features here by long press the dial. Convenient. Short press the Chrome back to the home page. Press again, it jumps to the app interface. Just for the record, Mi Watch runs on Xiaomi's MIUI for watch on top of Google's Wear OS, the first customized version of the Google smartwatch platform to date. MIUI for watch has 40 plus built-in apps and a separate app store that's not open for third-party developers. There will be 3 versions available, one with an aluminum body and strap, one with a stainless steel bezel and chain strap, and one premium edition with sapphire glass. Looks pretty decent. But a sad thing for the Mi Watch is currently it's only available for China market. Not sure if it will be released internationally, but you can always get one of these from third-party platforms like Geekbuy or some good reputation sellers from AliExpress. For that, you can check out links in the description. Alright, that's the video. As I still need more time to do an in-depth review, you can always leave your comment with what you want to know about the watch in the comment section, and I will catch you up later. Please subscribe. I'm Sami. See you guys very soon.